What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It is Simone, and I am back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is going to be for Leo and Moon Rising. What's up, Leo? How you doing, Leo? Gotta work on that. But what's up, Leo? Let's see what's up with you. The first half of March 2022. I gotta remember to do the whole spiel. I'm still working out the kinks, y'all, but you get it. Ooh. Stay focused. Okay, first card out. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising. Sweet Serenade. Okay, so Sag just got this card too, so might be dealing with the Sag. But with Stay Focused and then Sweet Serenade, I feel like something is distracting you. So it's a little bit different from Sag, but we gonna see. Not all of these. I apologize, winner, and time to get a watch. Whoever that's for, right? Okay, Stay Focused, Sweet Serenade, Decades, and then Not My Type at the bottom of the deck. All right. So something's been distracting you for a long time, Leo. And whatever it is, it's not even something that you like. So I feel like it's something you settled for, whether that's a relationship, a job, a spirituality, a friend, like literally whatever, a fucking computer. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel with Stay Focused and Sweet Serenade, you either you talked yourself out of doing something or doing like either you talked yourself out of doing something or you let somebody else talk you out of doing something. And whatever it was, like whatever you traded your time for, this decades, this long period of time for, wasn't even something you like, was not my type. Like it wasn't even worth your time. So, ooh. Now be careful with y'all fire sign readings. Y'all be getting me like feeling passionate, like fuck. Yeah, I'm getting mad. Like I feel like you were angry about a situation. Like you just. I wouldn't even say, like, I feel like you got angry after being frustrated. I feel like it was a frustration, and I don't know if that was with your, whew. Oh my God. Okay, so we got the High Priestess and the Four of Swords. So the High Priestess is your intuition, your inner thoughts, your inner guidance, like your higher self, the person that you want to be telling you exactly what to do to fucking get there, right? So sometimes we choose to listen, sometimes we don't. And then with the Four of Swords is a card about meditation and dreaming and knowing what you want and having a vision and going for it and essentially staying focused on that, right? So when you meditate and you focus or you direct all your thoughts towards whatever it is that you want and listen to your higher self, you're going to get there. You're going to get there really fucking fast. Like, you're going to get there quicker than you could ever imagine, as long as you stay focused, right? So, boom, that's what we have. And then Sweet Serenade. Let's see what that's about, Leo. Oh, my God. Hold up. Oh, my God. Okay, so first off, I wasn't going to take these three cards, but I'm going to take them. Sweet Serenade. You're pulling a lot of major arcana. So for those of you that don't know tarot or that are learning tarot, major arcana are major points or key points in the Fool's Journey. And the Fool's Journey is essentially the idea or concept that everything in life goes through this birth and death process, right? And then the major arcana outlines each stage in that process. So you're pulling the High Priestess, major arcana, Judgment, Death, and the Alien, aka it's the Alien in this deck, but it's in traditional tarot the Hermit. So let's start with the Hermit. The Hermit is someone who is to themselves, someone that's kind of thinking a lot to themselves, someone that's kind of in their own space, someone that's kind of, you know, doing their own thing, kind of isolated, right? And just being focused on learning something, or being focused on doing something in particular. It's literally, to me, like being in the zone. Okay. Then we have Death. Death is about transformation. It does not literally mean a death happening, like a physical death. Is everything in tarot is spiritual, most of it spiritual. So it's this idea of transforming yourself, right? Because that's what we're doing when we meditate, right? Or when we focus our thoughts on things and places and shit. Like whatever you focus on, you bring into your reality, right? So with the Hermit, you've been focused on something for a long time. With Death, you're transforming into that, or the universe is conspiring with you to transform into whatever it is that you want to do. And then Judgment. Judgment to me is when you get to a point where you make this decision where you're like, I have to change something about my life. Like I have to do something different. I'm calling judgment on myself, and I'm judging myself, and I'm evaluating my situation. So I feel like with all of this for Sweet Serenade, you've been talking to yourself a lot. Like a lot. I feel like you've been talking to yourself a lot for a long time, or you've allowed someone to talk for you for a long time, or to speak to you, or to counsel you for a long time. And it sounded good, or it's sounding good. And then let's see, how we doing on time? Oh, let's chop it up. Decades. Highest decades here for Leo. We have, oh gosh, okay, we have the Ace of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords. So the Ace of Pentacles, any ace in tarot is a new opportunity of some sort, or a new something, right? So with Pentacles, it's tangible things, money, exchange, like all of that, right? So for decades, you've wanted this opportunity, right? And I also feel like with the Seven of Swords, for decades, you've deceived yourself of having this opportunity, or you've stopped yourself, or you've stolen it from you, or you've allowed it to be, you've stolen it from yourself by allowing other people to steal it from you. So the Seven of Swords is, as you can see, this guy is running off. He breaking and stealing shit. Like he's running off on the plug. You know what I'm saying? So you've allowed whatever distraction that you had to call judgment on to rob you of planting these seeds, or watching them grow, or reaping the benefits of whatever it is that you planted. Yikes, Leo. Oh my God. And then, okay, at the bottom of the deck, the Seven of Pentacles. He's growing something. You see that? Like he's nurturing it. Can't make this shit up. Okay. Let me see. All right, so let's pull an oracle for Leo. I'm trying to keep these readings under 10 minutes. If you would like a personal reading, the information for that is in the description box below. So check that out if you are interested in that. And God, let me catch my breath. God damn. Advice for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, first half of March. Let's see. Oh, Leo, you are good enough. And then show the world the real you. Okay, we have full moon in Virgo with you are good enough, and show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So yeah, with both of these full moons, I'm feeling like go all out. Go all out on something. Now that you've acknowledged what has been stolen from you, or what you've been, essentially kind of robbing yourself of by not doing and not staying focused on, stay focused. Oh my God. stay focused on that because a new start is coming. So that is what I have for you, Leo. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, turn on notifications, all that good shit, you know the spiels. Okay, and until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I will see you later.